How to sign out of Roblox. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign out or log out from your Roblox application. To do so, first of all, open your Roblox application on your device, and once you have opened it, if you are logged into your account, you will be able to see your profile icon with your profile name in the top right corner of your screen. Now, in order to log out from your Roblox, you will need to navigate to the left sidebar. From here, you will be able to locate the More option below the options. Select this More option and then you will be taken to this page. Now here you will need to simply scroll a bit down, and at the very bottom, you will be able to locate the Logout option. Simply click on this button, and once you have clicked on it, a pop-up will appear on your screen. It will ask you if you are really sure to log out from the application. Simply click on this Log Out, and then you will be able to log out from your Roblox now. Once after logging out, you will land on this homepage. From here, if you want to log in back to your account, you may simply click on the Sign In button, or if you want to create a new account, you can click on this Create Account button and then fill in the details to create a new account on Roblox. So this is how you can sign out of Roblox. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.